Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and welcome. So what I want to do today with you guys is make a little art booklet out of a magazine page. So what you'll need is a magazine, just something sharp to cut with, a paintbrush, some water, and either water and glue solution or just some matte medium or Mod Podge or anything like that, something to glue down, and a napkin, which I forgot to grab. I will go grab it real quick, and that should be all that you need to make this little booklet. This should be plenty, and you know me, I want to do a little grungy napkins that I coffee dyed here, so I'm going to piece it together on our little booklet, and I think it would look really nice. If that's not enough, I have more right here. So I think it's gonna be plenty. Let's move it over for now. And let's start looking through our magazine. Just any kind of magazine. This is just something that we get in the mail. A free, just AAA insurance thing, and it's perfect. It's got great pictures in it. Some landscapes and stuff of Oregon, which is really cool to look at. I mean, look at that. Discover Fall. This was, oh my gosh, I just grabbed it out of my stack. I have them all saved up. This is 2019. So, yes, I do hoard things. It's like, oh my gosh, Oh, that's pretty though, isn't that? Ooh, well, there's an idea. I saw one in here earlier that I really liked too, but that one might be a contender. See, I think it was this one. I really like the wording on it, but maybe without the words, that could be cool too. Let's see if we find anything else here. And it's not so much of the picture, it's more like the colors, like the greens and the blues. Oh, that's really pretty, but it's not big enough. I want a whole page. Okay. I think we're just going to do this one. I don't want to overthink it too much here. Okay. So got that. And I'm just going to take my regular gel matte medium. I'll make sure this is in my descriptions below. I love this stuff. It works great. And I'm just going to start adding my paper towels is mainly what I have over here. But napkins, of course, napkins, paper towels, any deli paper, things like that work great. Let's see. So I'm just going to start popping this down. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't have my microphone hooked up the whole time, but hopefully the sound was okay. So you should be able to hear me a little better here. I just found my magazine page. I'm doing my napkin and just gluing this down. There we go. I got it all glued down. And then now I want to go ahead and I want to use my heat gun and dry this real quick. Okay, so it is pretty much dry, just a little tacky. And the next step is let's cut around all the edges here. Okay. And I forgot to mention you need scissors and a bone folder. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just, let's start folding it here. Long ways. And then fold this in half. Okay. I'm going to go back with it. And then back with the other side. Okay. Creases, they need to be. Got such a cool feeling to it now. We did the napkin and the paper towels on it. Okay. We got all our creases where we need them. I'm going to open it up. And this is when we need our little cutting tool here. Okay, I think we're done with that for now. So we're just going to cut from this fold to this fold, right along this line here. That crease is what we're working with here. Oh. Okay, and then you take it. We'll fold it together, and these are going to pop out like that. Re-crease it the other way. Pretty much making like a plus sign or an X, however you look at it. Little booklet here. Flip it around, get it to go where you want it. And then this is where our glue stick comes in handy. I just have a Yoo-hoo glue stick, but any glue stick will do. Or, you know, double-sided tape. Or glitter glue if you want. You could do Fabrifix glue if you want. Excuse me, you can do Elmer's glue. You can do anything. All glues work because this is just a lightweight little project here. So I'm just going to glue around the edges. And then just put some glue in the middle on each side of the cut. Fold it back together. Like this with it. There we go. That's what we want to do. Remember, you're making a little X or a plus sign. Easier to look at it that way. Go around and line it all up. If you have any pieces that are a little napkin or the paper towels coming undone. All right. I think that's looking pretty good. And you can make any part of this your cover, however you want to fold it and look at it. And even matter? That is our cute little booklet. You can make it out of one magazine page and just add some napkins to it. Or maybe I'll go like that. Sometimes it tells you how it wants to go. There we go. And if you guys are liking this video, please hit the like button. That does help me out a lot. It gets my video out there more to show people how to make these cute little magazine booklets here. I think they're little art journals, we'll call them. And it feels so cool with the napkin paper towels on it. It's kind of a neat feeling. And you could take anything like that and just glue it on here, and you got yourself a little booklet here. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, because next time we're going to be doing a fun little magazine, more magazine ideas that we can draw some fun things on it and put them in our little art journal here. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting, guys. And have a great day.